So I'm here and I'm updating the firmware. What I have is a simple circuit. I have a 12 volt power supply. I have the SBASE V1.3 mainboard, TFT35 from Makerbase, as well as a fan and 2 temperature sensors. That's actually the whole system, and I want them to connect to each other. So I'm having the Makerbase github.com/Makerbase MKS. So I'm taking the SBASE file and I'm downloading it to as a zip file. So the zip file will be stored at the download section, and I'm unpacking it. So I have now the SBASE files. I also have an SD card attached. So I want to format the SD card, formatting, and I'm formatting at the FAT32 file system. So it's now formatted, and now I'm going to look in the folder for the files. I'm going to English, and I'm going to get the config file. So I'm trying to copy it, but it's not working. Yes, copy, and I'm now pasting it on the SD card, paste, and I'm going back and I'm looking for some other file which is not the driver. It is the firmware, so I'm also copying this one and I'm attaching it and pasting it on the SD card. Now I'm opening the config file with Notepad++, and what I'm now doing, I'm actually looking at the baud rate. So I'm trying to find baud, and I'm over here. So serial communications baud rate default to 9600 if not undefined. My current baud rate is at 115,200, which is showed over here, and that's actually the baud rate I need. So this is a good example of a good file for my main system. I'm also looking if there is something described about Marlin, for example, or SmoothieWare. I don't see anything about it. I don't see anything about SmoothieWare. So I think SmoothieWare. Next one, SmoothieWare. It seems like this is not some kind of way to put in SmoothieWare. What I can see over here is panel, and I'm also so this is the panel settings, and I don't know if I'll have to change anything about these settings. It seems like it has panel enable, which is true. Set it true to enable the panel code, and then it says it's smoothie panel. Panel LCD is not enabled. Set type of panel. I don't know if I'll have to set here anything, but it's not changed. So it's all default settings. I'm now ending it. I'm taking out the SD card, which is now over here. Okay. What I'm now doing is try to get to my mainboard, which is over here. I want to make my screen a little bit bigger. That's much better. So now I have the two files on my SD card, I'm taking out the small micro SD and putting it into the main board, and I'm now attaching the power to it. So what I see is here, one blinking LED, 2 free, it's now stable, 2 at the left, 1 at the right, and now 2 others are blinking, which seems to me that it is stored. So now I have the files on the main board, and that is the first phase of this process.